Hey everybody, welcome back with a new update video. Today I want to highlight some changes that I made to the channel to improve it and such, so stick around and you might learn a thing or two. So I just came back from vacation. You guys shouldn't have noticed anything because I recorded a bunch of videos for when I was away, but while I was away, I actually passed 500 subscribers and I am extremely grateful for that. So thank you everyone who subscribed. I can't describe how I feel. I think it's a beautiful thing that I have a community of people that support me and that like the videos. That means a lot to me. So thanks to everyone who subscribed. If you haven't, you can of course do that for other filmmaking content. But as you might have noticed, since a few videos back, I now have a short clip at the beginning of my videos with my Action VFX affiliate link. And that is because every purchase made through that link directly supports the channel, and I also regularly use that site, so I thought maybe we can pair up. I think that the site, it sells a lot of really good content for relatively cheap prices if you go anywhere on the market. So I hope that you guys don't mind. You can actually use promo code FilmempIre to get 5% off of your first purchase. So if you need anything there, please use my affiliate link because that directly supports the show. And you can of course use that promo code FilmempIre to get 5% off. Also, you might have noticed a drastic drop in the total view count on the channel, and that is because I actually deleted all of the videos that were on my channel before Film Empire, because as some of you might know, some of you might not know, I had like 3 different channels before I actually landed on Film Empire. I had one with Kerbal Space Program, another one with games. Those videos were still on this channel, so I actually deleted those, got rid of all of that. So the 182 videos that are on this channel right now are all related to Film Empire. So now if you go back to the earliest video, that would actually be episode 1 of this channel. And I think that cleans up very nice. It makes everything a lot more organized, but that does mean that I lost 7,673 views. So, if you've noticed that the view count is way lower, that's because I deleted a whole bunch of videos. It might have been like 80 videos or such, I don't know, but something like that. Other exciting news, I've planned to create another short film. I really enjoyed creating the previous one. I got some really nice feedback of you guys, and I decided to take that feedback and create a new short film. So I have the script almost finished. I need to make some revisions, check everything, and then I will be done with the script. The earliest date that I could film is actually next month. So I hope to have this short finished in September or October, so expect to see something in the next few months. Also, since May 7th, I have a new thumbnail system. So for the regular videos of Film Empire, the regular episodes, you'll see this blue thumbnail. If it's an Hit Film Express video, you'll have this orange logo on the left side. And I will only add that logo if it can be done in Hit Film Express completely without any add-on packs. So if you see that logo and you have Hit Film Express, you can know for sure that you can do this. If it needs something that's only in Hit Film Pro or in an add-on pack, it will have this blue logo attached to it. Now, furthermore, the Hit Film Wednesday series will have this orange thumbnail layout, and the live streams will have this green thumbnail. So I decided to do this so that you can very easily see what video is what. And I also plan on creating some new Hit Film Wednesday content. I haven't done that in a really long time, but since I have a lot of ideas and stuff that I want to do on this channel, I might bring it back for a few episodes. And I also plan on live streaming a bit more than I have done in the past, so expect to see a lot of new stuff. I also have a new list of music tracks that I'll be using in my videos, because before I had like 3 music tracks and it would get very repetitive because you would hear the same track over and over again. And I have a list of 14 tracks that I will be using in my videos. So I do this to, you know, spice the episodes up a little bit, to get some new content in there. So yeah. And I also changed the title format a bit, because I used to have the episode number in the title. I decided to scrap that, so now you just have a simple title. And together with the new thumbnail layout, I hope that this gives a nicer browsing experience, so that you can go onto my channel page, like very easily see what the video is about. You can see the thumbnail, if it's HitFilm Pro or Express, all of that stuff. You can see what is a live stream, what is a regular episode. So I decided to make those changes to make the experience on my channel a lot nicer. And I believe that that is it. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this gigantic update video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't already. And I will see you this evening, actually, with a new video. Bye-bye. Hi there, thanks for watching. Click here to see my latest video, click here to see a highlighted one, and click here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.